हाँ केविन अब सही बोल, क्या बोल रहा था तू? बट
यार आई
खैर
विश
फौजी
जूम में दिखा था कि
फौजी
एक्चुअली रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ पे हो रही है.
यार
ऑल
फौजी में
द
बैटल
यार मैं ये बोल रहा था कि सारे लीडर्स ऑफ द होल वर्ल्ड आर ग्रेट. प्लीज मेरा वीजा कुछ मत काटना. आई एम ऑल फॉर यू गाइस.
देख एंड में ना एज यू ग्रो ओल्डर लाइक वो तुम्हारी सारी ये क्रांति की फीलिंग्स हट जाती है और तुम सुधर जाते हो. बट तुम आकाश तूने मुझसे कहा था कि इस एपिसोड के स्टार्टिंग में मुझे फौजी गेम का रिव्यू देना है.
Yes,
मैं दे दूं
give
रिव्यू?
your review of the game. 4G, produced by Akshay Kumar, aka Rustam.
तो ये प्रोड्यूस ये रुस्तम ने अच्छी गेम बनाई है. और इस गेम में शुरुआत में फौजी लिखा है और फौजी के बाद एक फौजी दिखते हैं. गलवान वैली जून 15th यू आर ट्रांसपोर्टेड इनटू. तो बिगेस्ट रिव्यूज गेम प्ले मुझे ज्यादा दिक्कत नहीं लगा क्योंकि मुझे गेम्स का
Wait,
ज्यादा
what?
आइडिया नहीं है.
Did they mention that value? उसमें actual name use किया है उन्होंने?
Yeah, they used the actual name.
इसमें तो गेम हैज 3 मोड्स, कैंपेन मोड, बैटल रॉयल और एक वो फ्री फॉर ऑल जो है जो हमारा पबजी का था. फ्री फॉर ऑल और बैटल रॉयल नहीं है, अभी सिर्फ कैंपेन मोड खेल सकते हो. तो इसमें हम जून 15 की उस रात में हमें ट्रांसपोर्ट किया जाता है एंड एक सीक्वेंस चल रहा था उसमें शुरुआत में. और वो मेरा क्या कहते हैं स्क्रीन में लोड नहीं हो रहा था ढंग से. आई ट्राइंग टू स्किप टू सी गेम कैसी है. तो उसके बाद 4 ज़ॉम्बी आते हैं जो बाहर के ज़ॉम्बी है. आई विल नॉट मेंशन देयर नेशनैलिटी बट जिनके साथ गलवान वैली में अपेरेंटली लड़ाई चल रही है. तो वहाँ के ज़ॉम्बी आ रहे थे एंड आई थिंक ज़ॉम्बी थे या रियल ह्यूमंस थे, मुझे आइडिया नहीं है. कुछ
उनको
तो
zombie
कर रहा
बना
था
दिया.
गेम में. तो पहले 1.5 मिनट के अंदर इधर वो ज़ॉम्बी या जो सोल्जर्स थे उनसे लड़ाई करके, दे मे नॉट बी ज़ॉम्बीज बाय द वे, माय इंफॉर्मेशन माइट बी कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग.
By the way,
आफ्टर दैट आई
why
क्लोज्ड
were
द
you
गेम
fighting with
बिकॉज़
fist?
हाँ मैंने जो तुम्हें
Sorry.
वीडियो भेजा ना 1 मिनट का, क्योंकि उसके बाद मैंने छोड़ दिया. आई डोंट नो आगे जाके गन मिलती है या नहीं. सो आई गेम लुक्ड नाइस, लुक्ड प्रीटी. कांट वेट फॉर द फ्री बैटल रॉयल मोड टू कम आउट क्योंकि
But
दैट इज
Amrit,
ऑनेस्टली द ओनली पर्पस.
how did the game control you? Can you care to clarify on that comment? You said it was stiff.
स्टिफ शुरुआत में जो राइट एंड
How stiff was it?
इतना स्टिफ की क्या कहते हैं अंदर से सारी भावनाएं
Don't
बाहर आ
say
रही
it.
थी.
Don't say it. Okay, okay. No, but seriously, you said it didn't compared to
नहीं,
PUBG.
no, it was much better than I expected. I will give the game huge props for that. इन्होंने 3-4 महीने या 6-7 महीने जितने ही महीने लगे अनाउंसमेंट जब भी हुई थी उसमें बेसिक गेम अच्छी है. इट्स स्टिफ इन द सेंस यार पबजी में इट्स अ वेरी इंटरैक्टिव फीलिंग लगती है. तुम ऊपर नीचे घूम रहे हो, लोडिंग स्क्रीन में पत्थर मार रहे हो किसी को, नीचे लेट के डिशुम डिशुम कर रहे हो, वो सब नहीं होगा इसमें.
No, that
तो
will
बस
improve with time, I guess.
हाँ
But
यू कांट डू डिशुम डिशुम बट कैंपेन मोड था बस. तो
But-
दैट इज द ओनली डिसअपॉइंटिंग पार्ट फॉर मी. आई विश फ्री फॉर ऑल वो वाला मोड पहले आता
okay, I've
क्योंकि
got
देन
two
इट वुड बी
questions.
डायरेक्ट रिप्लेसमेंट.
Do you guys see this
Dishum
actually
नहीं कर-
replacing PUBG? And do you think this will actually be released internationally? Those two questions.
If they want the game to grow, obviously internationally release होगी.
But international, since part of its profits are going to army, do you think
हाँ,
that
और
is that going to be a problem for international release?
यार I don't think so because it's a very great say indigenous game हमने बनाई है और इतने कम टाइम में they were able to have such a stable release. 5 million कुछ डाउन प्री रजिस्ट्रेशंस थे इस गेम के already by the way.
I'm not
Pre-registration,
sure if
that means
people
you
will
went to the
support
Play
it.
Store.
That's my thing, Kevin. That's what I
I don't think
That's
people
why
will support.
I
The
wish
moment they
instead of
find out that
campaign
okay,
mode-
I'm
That's
pretty
why-
sure like the moment people find out that like hey this is going to part of the Indian army or something, they'll be like we don't want to support this, which kind of makes sense also. I mean, I don't think I would
No,
want to
for
if I were
Indians
from
will be
somewhere else.
for like other people like maybe Americans
I
like
mean, even if they
nationality.
don't release it
Only
outside India, Indian audience ही इतना huge है कि they
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
survive based on that.
See,
I mean, Indian
I think
itself.
that would be
Exactly.
they
Yeah.
should make it available
True.
in my
That,
opinion.
but
because
that was just
you
my
will get
yeah.
you will get feedback from gamers all over the world. I don't think
Exactly.
that can anytime be a negative thing. And also
अपने-
for me, it's a huge sign of our soft power also. कि like एक ऐसी game हमने 8 महीने में release करी है.
So the biggest question: do you think it will ever replace PUBG when
Yes,
the battle royale comes out?
100% it will
Fill the
replace
void.
PUBG. भाई अगले साल एक वो लिमिटेड एडिशन स्मार्टफोन्स भी निकलने वाले हैं जो सब और भी ज्यादा मार्केट में फैलेंगे. एंड गेम्स जिसमें तुम सब अपनी पूरी कॉलोनी के साथ बैठ के खेल. हाउ डू यू थिंक पबजी वर्कड इन इंडिया? 4G रिलायंस 4G के लॉन्च के बाद जब सबके पास जियो कनेक्शन आए एंड अदर पीपल वर आल्सो कमिंग आउट इन फुल like fervor. That's how the game was able to prosper and do this much. So I genuinely think it can easily replace PUBG. Okay,
I mean,
PUBG, as long as
considering the
PUBG stays
fact that
banned.
yeah, but as long as PUBG stays banned, FAU-G will have some kind of demand.
But
I'll just
Gobi,
see.
like even if it stays banned for like another year of few months, right? 4G will be able to capture a pretty good market. In terms of who's the company कौन सी है इसके पीछे जिन्होंने game बनाया है? You mentioned Akshay Kumar, but actual gaming company
Rustom.
कौन सी?
That's a
क्या
good
time
question.
Do you think he
Encore,
got
na?
inspired?
Some company called Encore or something like that.
Okay, no, I was just curious
Do you
to know
think
कि
he
कौन है
got
company.
inspired from Rustom?
भाई,
I said, I've got to say though, it's a very
That was a
good
little dark joke.
money-making sense.
Sorry.
PUBG is banned. Chalo, we'll launch our game quickly.
Akash,
yeah.
I would
Take
be
that market.
I would be laughing my ass off if the first scene is some guy in towel is gonna going with the gun.
Welcome to the Vele podcast, guys. We have a lot to talk about today. I am your host Akash, joined by my friends Amrit. You're not going to say hi, Kevin and Arnav.
What's up?
Okay, thank you.
You didn't even let me complete my WhatsApp.
I was waiting for Amrit to say what he didn't say, so I just rushed through Kevin and Arnav. That was Kevin, by the way, for our listeners. Today, we're going to talk about some hotly debated news. We're going to talk about the farmers' protests that's been going on in India. So, first, I'll start off by saying the bills that have been passed in 2020 regarding the farmers' law.
आकाश
So the
सिचुएशन डिस्क्राइब करेगा क्या चल रहा है?
Okay, wait. Let me first say the bills, and then
Okay.
I'll go into deeper the situation. So there have been 3 bills passed in 2020 for the farm. They call the farm bills: the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill. The second one, the Farming Procedure, Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Bill, and the third, the Essential Commodities Amendment Bill. These 3 bills were passed without going through any Supreme Court or anything like that, right? Am I right in saying that, guys?
It didn't go through the
It was
parliamentary
instantly.
procedure.
It didn't go through parliamentary procedure or anything. It just went into
the
effect instantly.
ordinance route was used. Ordinance used जब parliament
Yes.
session में नहीं है तो तुम एक certain amount of time के लिए एक law pass कर सकते हो, but it has to be ratified
Through the
in a
president,
couple of
right?
months.
So you guys correct me on this, since I'm still reading up on this and learning
The
about
reason
it
why it's a
properly.
controversy is because ordinance is traditionally by Jawaharlal Nehru. He had said that when it was introduced at that time, he said this is only an act of emergency. So that is why it created a controversy because this is not considered an emergency because this has been an issue for years together. So regular procedure should have been followed. That is the main target. Okay.
So the reason for these protests happening are that, from what I get it, is that the government has removed the basically interference on their, is it a, would you call it a subsidy or something, on removing the middleman from the whole
That is
scheme of providing
that is the government's
farmers,
version, yes.
the government's version, providing their resources to the mandi, which is a vegetable shop, basically. Isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Hello?
The mandi is the place where a farmer essentially would make their produce. A majority of it
And sell it
is traded at the mandi where the rates are fixed. The government
fixed,
gives
yeah,
an
by the government.
the government gives an assurance of a certain price कि इतने तो
Mhm.
तुम्हें मिलना ही है इसमें, and then it is sold out. So farmers are not allowed to give और किसी को नहीं बेच सकते. Majority products में you have to go to the APMC mandis, and after that, from there it is
Arnaj,
procured by the government.
Which are all, yeah, government
Price.
organized, no, state
Oh,
organized.
just for
basically.
information, just
So,
APMC
yeah.
is Agricultural Produce Market Committee, just in case
Yeah.
if anyone doesn't know the full form.
So by removing the middleman, the government hopes to encourage farmers to get paid more, but leaving it to a free market essentially. So private businesses can also now be involved in this process as well. Now, from what I understand, the farmers' protest is that there's going to, without that fixed price, there's a chance of them getting paid less instead of getting paid more. Is that correct?
they'll be at the mercy of the market.
Yeah, and
There is
Yeah.
no guarantee that the corporations will pay them a higher price or
a
a
high price.
similar price, because it's like a free market thing, right? कि तुम lesser
Yep.
amount ले सकते हो. Procurement guarantee is one of the major pillars of the farm sector, especially to the lower level farmers.
So they're essentially their fears that the private businesses may take advantage of them and
Yeah.
force them to sell at lower prices than what they're used to.
Yep. And
Essentially,
yeah, I think so. What is the second? Did you talk about the second amendment?
the second bill that was passed was the Farming Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Bill. Is that the one you're talking about?
No,
No,
he's
the
talking about
essential commodities
the
ordinance.
The
essential
essential
commodities.
commodities.
That
That's
was
third. Yeah.
That's the
In-
freedom of stocking by agriculture. So, and I think let's just start with the pros of it, because I
Yeah.
think
Let's get into it.
yeah. What do you guys think about, and the third one has not been approved yet, right? The agreement on price assurance and farm services ordinance.
No, because that's the first one that they were ready to budge on as well. कि MSP का return guarantee दे सकते हैं हम आपको.
Also, as of
Okay.
we're recording right now, as
But
we're
not a
recording,
legal guarantee.
aren't these bills placed on hold now? They're going to go through Supreme Court.
Supreme Court put them on hold.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So this is like we're recording at that time
Okay.
where it's been announced.
Okay.
Let's see what happens. But everyone, now let's go further into your opinions on
I
this.
I
think
think
before
on paper,
one more thing before we go into pros and cons, right? Let's simplify these three farm laws, because अपन नाम में ऊपर नीचे confuse होने वाले हैं. It's we
Yeah.
cannot say so अपन first one which we will talk, if we are mentioning to the first law, that's the one which is about the trading goods outside of APMC, right? APMC is the mandis which we mentioned
Yes.
earlier. So that's
Yep,
the
yep.
part of the first law. Second law, it talks about contract farming, जहाँ पे basically a private company or organization, they can get into a contract with farmers directly based on terms
Yes.
whatever decide, and that's a contract farming. We will term that is the second law, just for the sake of this podcast. Third one is the one which talks about the certain commodities which have been defined by government, and this is not a law. The law was already there. This is more of an amendment in that law.
Yep.
So in that particular one, they are basically going to remove certain items from that list which were part of the essential commodities list. I think some of the
Which
items
were the
are
pulses and all.
yeah,
that were part of
And it
onions,
also
essential
pulses,
adds-
oils.
Yep.
and it also adds private sector to essentially stock on food as well. That is the
Yes.
additional clause that they have added, which is
And this
not
is the
legal
third
before.
one. Yeah. So these are three laws which we'll be talking about. Kevin, up to I just want to, because upon first law is about the APMC wala, free trade. Second one is about contract farming. Third one is about the essential commodity. So Kevin, you want to go first?
Yeah, I was just going to say that I think from the pro side of it, on paper, I really like the fact that the farmers get more options. Essentially, their life is easier, and they have. I mean, everyone wants like if you're a business owner, you want your clients to be from a different, like have a big. Crap,
You want to have a large sample size. You want to have large choice.
Exactly. Yeah,
basically.
your choice should be wide, and food stocking will help the farmers negotiate better. It's not the right. Technically, it's not completely right. In my mind, it's not very ethical to do it, because I have seen in like a lot of areas where in the name of stocking, you have things like rotting away. So that is another issue altogether. But that's one of the positives I would see it for now as, because you get more negotiation power. So technically, since you have more negotiation power, your profits should increase for the farmers. And APMC has become kind of a monopoly, even though it's government controlled. And so basically, farmers are relieved from those clutches, and farmers have already started selling to private players. So this is not something that is going to be like revolutionizing the whole farming industry. It's already happening. They have already started selling to private sector. So that's just one of the things that I was.
Okay.
I agree in the sense that Kevin, like saying that it provides more avenues to make money for the farmers in a way, definitely. But I disagree. I think me and Amrit did talk about this in our meeting, that I disagree the way it was implemented. I think it should have been implemented at a better pace instead of just suddenly throwing it like onto people. If it was implemented
Correct.
at like a more gradual, like, okay, this is going to be the law at this, it will be in effect in this date, so kind of thing, like gradually getting people used to it instead of shocking people by putting it on. But I do agree. I think the law will provide bet improve in later on down the line, better for farmers to make the most out of their produce and everything. So that's how I see it. Now,
Sorry, I just wanted to talk about the positive. I didn't get to the negative yet.
yeah. Now, okay, Kevin, go for the negative.
No, go
Actually,
ahead. No. Let's just talk about the pros, right? Like, obviously, these things are considered like going to be a big changes. So, like, yeah, I wanted to just talk about the positives about it. Definitely. What do
and
you guys think is?
I think it will also help the smaller farmers in a way. Now, the people who are overshadowed by richer the richer. I was going to say farmers as well, but I was going to try and find a better word. The people who are basically can monopolize that whole uh,
Yeah,
produce providing area.
The richer members of the agriculture sector.
Actually, agricultural sector. Yeah, I was thinking of what
yeah.
word am I thinking of, but
The bigger
yeah,
players, you can just call it. Yeah,
the bigger
whatever.
players. Yeah, so it'll give the smaller players a better chance to make money in overall. That's what I feel.
But interestingly, one of the points, and I would love to know because from what I'm trying to gather, farmers are scared more about the small farmers को क्या होगा, right? I don't think none of the farmers they're talking about कि
Yeah,
अरे बड़े players को क्या नुकसान होने वाला है. I think they all are worried about कि जो small farmers हैं. I think those are the majority of the ones, right? How they are going to navigate through these laws, from what I understand. So इसलिए मुझे वहाँ पे I'm trying to understand first of all smaller farmers को जो so called जो negatives हैं इस laws के, right? What are those first of all, right? I mean, if because majority of the farming sector is on the smaller side. So I think I read somewhere and almost 70 to 80% are on the small farmers की category, small to medium farmers category में आते हैं. There's only I think some 15-20% is the one who are considered like rich farmers, right? And they all are worried about कि small farmers कैसे navigate करेंगे, because the first law which we mentioned where they're opening the free trade, right? So now private sector people can go to private.
Arnav, that number is much worse. 2015 के census, agriculture census में more than 86% were under the small and marginal category.
Right, small and
Yep,
marginal category.
86%. Yeah.
So if 86% when that's the majority, right? So I think people are worried about कि वो private companies say how will they negotiate, right? How can they stand in front of the private companies when it comes to contract farming, at the same time negotiating the price and also the quality of, because when we talk about contract farming, one of the bigger concerns is they can actually define in contract कि जो भी grain है, for example, वो किस quality का होना चाहिए, या जो भी whichever जो भी farming वो कर रहे हैं, like what should be the quality of that, what should be quantity of those things, right? And those things all are determined before even they start the farming. And correct me, I think मुझे ये समझ में आ रहा है. So they can actually sign the contract before itself. And what farmers are worried about is it's not a like automated process, right? It depends on several factors like weather conditions, and उस time जो भी, so economic
the
conditions also.
agricultural market is very seasonal, so you can't
Right. So मुझे जितना समझ
predict.
में आ रहा है, farmers are worried about these two things. First of all, कि how will they stand in front of the big players, like big private players, right? For example,
Yeah.
Reliance, Tata or Adani's. How will they stand in front of them in terms of creating these contracts? And second is they are saying कि already right now lots of farmers are going outside APMC to sell their produce. Some of them.
No, but it's very limited. Now you cannot say a lot. Also, that word is wrong. But it's like very small pockets here and there. Like in Punjab itself, Nestle has in 1 lakh farmers के साथ मोगा करके district में, where Nestle gives them the technical guidance और उनसे direct procurement और सब होती है.
Yeah.
But these are small pockets of it, and the majority of the farmers will never be covered under any of those things.
Oh, definitely. I think because farmers के लिए, from what I understood, even because they are saying that they can go to different states and sell their goods because now they have opened it up, right? But I need to I don't understand the part ki jo transportation cost, for example, are small farmers even capable enough to go outside of their own geographic locations to sell these goods, right? No matter whichever private sector it may be. So I think I'm curious to know ki wahan pe, what do you guys think ki, is
because
that even a
because under
problem, or
AP
is it like more of a
No, I think because under APMC they are buying these as whole grain, so you are negotiating. So that's your union. So that includes your big farmers, your small farmers, etc. They're negotiating for a price, and you're guaranteed that MSP is guaranteeing you the minimum price. But once you negotiate, it's buying in wholesale. So they don't have to negotiate themselves. Like some of the small farmers don't have to do it for themselves. They are just sending their part of it to APMC. That's it.
And
So
the
that is why they are.
जो middlemen
So
है,
they
they
don't
deal
have
with
to
the
worry about
rates.
those things. Yeah.
So is the MSP, which is the minimum support price, right?
Yes.
Is that set by government? From what I understand, it is set by the government at national level.
Yeah,
Yes.
they've set us. They
Yes.
decide कौन सी grains किस price पे लेनी चाहिए, and that was why MSP was one of the first things that was being argued about when the farm laws were being even discussed.
And yeah. Sorry. Also, MSP is apparently Haryana and Punjab rely on it the most, which is one of the main reasons why they are like they feel that they are being like it's wrong against them, especially because these two states rely on MSP the most. So that could be other factors. Maybe the standard of living is lower over there, so your prices are lower. I haven't looked into why they are relying so much on MSP, but apparently, according to census,
It's
that
a
is what.
fixed price, I feel. No?
It's a cultural difference. The kind of जहाँ पे these are the states you're describing, states which reaped the highest benefits of green revolution. A lot of Punjab mein and that northern belt and solely certain sections of the south. Now, for example, a farmer in South India has different areas of procurement and different ways of meeting the क्या कहते हैं, demands of the public, and they're tied in with the government in different ways. In the north, I think it is specifically in the Punjab or Haryana case heartland mein, there's a very simple thing. If you're a farmer, you make something, majority of your grain will go towards the APMC mandi, from where the fixed rate is provided back to you. It is a very simple ping pong process, which is why now if you are told, Arnab ne sawal pucha ki what will happen to a small farmer when he negotiates, he will be like completely enveloped by the corporates, because
Companies.
they have never ever dealt with something along those lines. Each individual farmer negotiating their own price, can you understand or estimate वो कि उसमें कितने higher amount of level of people involved है? Now if you say one farmer negotiates, it's one thing, 10 farmers नहीं, now crores of people have to negotiate separate prices with private entities. One of the biggest things being said is that on paper it opens them to allows them to sell to many people, right? That's the first law का क्या कहते हैं gist कि you no longer have to go to the APMC mandi. Now usme a very direct thing is कि a group of people who for 40-50 years have followed one set of things will not particularly understand having a completely new set of negotiations occur at such a out of the blue. Like it's very similar to when we had issues with demonetization, very specifically. The ideology is not the issue. The implementation at a ground level can be very hard to understand or even implement. Now, तुम तीनों ने ये बोला कि it sounds very good कि they have the ability to trade from everywhere. But you have to understand how many private companies. Now, what happens if a private company decides that these are our favored customers? These are our favored producers, और हम इनको higher rate देंगे और इनके पास higher production वो है. So then those all a sector which has been traditionally, which produces a lot but does not see a lot of profit trickle down, उसमें तुम एक नया barrier एक तरीके से बना सकते हो. That's why I personally believe that the farm laws are very much on paper very correct, but that the intention is correct.
The
but
implementation.
and even the implementation has to be staggered, where it is and where the players are taught. You have to on the grassroots level teach them the
And then only
ordinance or
introduce it.
yes, because they cannot on any level understand that our entire procurement and production एक किसान करता क्या है, उन्हें हर सीजन में बारिश और क्या कहते हैं पेस्टिसाइड से लेकर एवरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द लैंड उनको सोचना पड़ता है, समझना पड़ता है, प्रिपेयर करना पड़ता है. The easiest or supposedly the most tenuous part of that entire thing is जब their produce is sold and it feeds the entire country. Each one of us short of people को लगता है कि स्विगी से ऑर्डर करते हो तो मतलब फार्मर्स का तुम्हारी लाइफ में कोई
There
रोल
was
नहीं
a
है.
tweet
Yeah.
that said,
मतलब that shows like a level of stupidity or something. We are
"Oh my
all
god."
whatever you eat is being made by somebody working on a farm. Like that
Yeah.
should not be that hard to understand. But these are people जिनके लिए एक सिस्टम था कि देखिए कितना भी अनफेयर हो इस सिस्टम से हमें पैसे मिल रहे हैं. कुछ लोगों को ज्यादा मिल रहे होंगे, वो तो हर फील्ड में तुम्हें मिडलमैन मिलेंगे, हायर मिलेंगे. You cannot expect them to not be scared out of their wits कि this system
Yeah.
leaves us completely exposed. Like
You're
that is
so
where you have
used
to
to a
be.
system completely
तुम
that you've
now
been
suddenly
getting money from companies.
April में नया crop का season जब आएगा, what are they supposed to do? Like whom are we supposed to go to?
Exactly.
Whom are we going to go and appeal? Like वो बोल रहे हैं कि there will be redressal system बनेगा वो. So it's a very progressive law. Let it not be mistaken कि like it sounds so beautiful on paper, but when you go into the implementation part of it,
Yep.
of how will this affect them on a daily basis, that's where you will, I personally feel you will start having doubts, because if it is not explained to the stakeholders, then regardless of how good a law is, it essentially is just harming them more.
So
See,
one
another thing
question
is that
is
private sorry.
Is everyone, so I'm क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि I think we all four have this same opinion in terms of the law on paper, right? That it is in a way a progressive law, but we are worried about the implementation of it. Is it right? I mean, or is someone has a different
Yeah.
opinion slightly कि कोई
That
भी
is mine as
MSA
well.
law?
Yeah.
No, I don't agree with
For
the
me.
laws completely. I think there should be amendments to it. Because one thing I wanted to point out is private companies would bring in much more greater play in your market, which means more, and not to mention that private companies can bully APMCs out of the way, which means there will be no reliance on APMC gradually. By the way, the Farm Bill is not telling that they're going to get rid of APMC, but I'm saying this is the gradual flow that has been predicted, because private companies are going to bully APMC out of the way, which means farmers are not going to have a backup option, which means there's not going to be a MSP. So there are certain amendments that need to come to this bill to guarantee that private market cannot bully these farmers. That is what my I don't think these farm bills should be passed. They should have amendments to it and then passed. Absolutely agreed.
But I think, correct me if I'm wrong, I thought government did agree for MSP, right? That they are not removing the MSP from the.
No, that is where an issue came. They said they'll give written approval for the, which again was immediately point is कि unless it is legally included, how can anyone believe it? आप पेपर पे लिख के दे दो कि हाँ आपको MSP में मिलेगा, unless it's part of the law again. But again, see, if an amendment has to be passed, then it has to be tabled in parliament again, and there are so many bills to be put in parliament that it will just turn into a very separate issue altogether.
No, because I want to understand first of all कि let's say we have this APMC का concept, right? Which is an existing concept, which is first of all which doesn't वो बहुत ही specific states में it works. Bunch of states don't even have that APMC concept, right? So it's in a very specific north वाले region में specifically this is a successful model. Everywhere else is not a successful model APMC, right? States like Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, यहाँ पे ये चलता है काफी. But in terms of, so let's say we have APMC, right? And at the same time, we have free market. So these two options now farmers have, correct? Eventually, do you think both are going to survive? And I think मेरा इसमें answer होगा कि eventually one will, APMC will die down,
One
right?
would-
As Kevin
yes.
rightly said, right?
Yep.
APMC in the long run will die down.
Will die down. Yep.
So now if government puts something in the law that APMC will always exist along with MSP,
Yes.
that means that cannot go away if it's part of the law.
Yes.
Right?
That is what
So-
farmers are asking for.
So
But then the
eventually,
free market will be negatively impacted on that.
because none, I don't think it has ever happened that both public and private can go hand in hand together, right?
No.
That can never work in the
I've
long
never
run.
heard. Yeah.
None of the countries can implement a model where both public sector and private sector are working hand in hand. Very rarely in a small countries maybe, but in a country like
Your
India,
transportation system is an example of public and private running together, hand in hand.
but if you look at the transport system, majority of the transport is struggling on the same lines, right? So if you look at the India ka railways, it was struggling like anything. If you look at the India ka bus system, majority of majority of people travel from private buses. Private transportation has taken over public transportation. End of the day, that had a huge infrastructure value, right? वहाँ पे there's a difference वहाँ पे. In term, like obviously now we cannot expect a private player because of regulations to come and start put a railroad, right? You need some sort of, so I think वहाँ पे it's a slightly different angle, but in terms of, if you look at the
Yeah, the
airlines,
roads already existed for them to play on and everything. So
yeah, and
routes are
majority of the
already there.
highways and everything, they are private players. Majority of the tolls, they are given to private players. Government doesn't
Yes.
operate majority of the toll booths, for example, right?
Abhi airports are also
Yeah.
being given to private players.
Private. So at
Yes.
least, and correct me if I'm wrong, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि both APMC and free market, I don't think they can go hand in hand together.
No, but Arnav, that is what is जो Arnav अभी जो Kevin ने इससे पहले बोला था ना कि like they will be bullied out by it, and would that, see, that would, when they are bullied out of it naturally, as is what we really need also in a certain way, but that would require the farmers reaching a stage, of understanding ki, okay, this is how I learn.
It's a
to
transition
live with.
time.
Yeah, you need that.
Yeah.
On its own, you're very correct. In 5 years or 10 years from now, they may become things that no farmer ever relies on. Because one thing that Corona has taught us is our people are among the most resilient in the world. Especially our village dwelling folks are the most resilient in the world, based on how we have survived through Corona and all these difficulties. So you can quite clearly see that APMC ka procurement, if it's just kept also as an option, and private thing is also kept as an option, and as people can then choose for themselves as time goes on कि okay, लोगों का, okay, that is actually okay, it's not as scary as it sounds, it's not as terrible as it sounds. Like okay, if they, अगर मैं इनसे pre क्या कहते हैं, pre control contract farming वाला जो second law है उसमें I get to keep my land, like the law itself like gives them like so many क्या कहते हैं सेफ गार्ड्स उनके लिए. तुम्हारी जमीन तुम्हारे पास रहेगी, जो पहले प्राइस किया है दैट कैन नॉट बी चेंज्ड. तुम्हारी लैंड पे आके कोई फिजिकल एसेट्स वो बिल्ड नहीं कर सकते. जमीन हमेशा कंप्लीट ओनरशिप और प्रोडक्शन मेथड्स पे तुम्हारा हाथ है.
This is Kevin's internet. It's okay.
Internet.
Yeah.
So just wait, just hold on to it. Wait till he comes back. Okay, Amrit, continue.
You know, Amrit.
Yeah. So.
Sorry, go ahead, Amrit.
I completely forgot my line. But so, what the fuck was I saying?
The one thing I asked you to do, remember your point.
No, but
So we were
do you remember what?
अमृत तू बात कर रहा था about safeguards in the contract farming के उसमें कि कैसे land ownership के लिए safeguards हैं, कैसे price point of view safeguards हैं.
Okay, I'll pick up from there. So basically, so after that awkward break, there are like we mentioned that the government has introduced around 4 चीजें जो ensure करती हैं, 3 या 4 factors which ensures that the government, the farmer who indulges in even contract farming is helped. But the thing is, in any sort of decision which we thrust on people who are so far away from the from the situation and world that we are in, where it's not an immediate need for us. Like a lot of people are in middle class and upper middle class के जो surroundings में है, आपको एक consistent salary मिलती है. To understand the angst of the farmer, आपको ये बात समझनी पड़ेगी कि उनके लिए it's very much an issue of हमारे अराउंड जो लोग हैं हमें कह रहे हैं कि हमें अगली फसल के जैसे ओके लाइक फॉर इंग्लिश हार्वेस्ट आने के बाद हमें वो नहीं मिलेगा. लाइक हमें वी आर नॉट श्योर ऑफ हाउ वी आर एबल टू सेल दिस. So this is like me telling you that 6 months from now I don't give you guarantee of salary. Like you can be in any situation right now, तुम super rich, so it will make you uncomfortable, right?
Yeah,
it will make you highly like unsure about what your situation.
You don't have that
so,
stability and everything.
especially for someone who's already living in such dire conditions.
Yeah.
one of the biggest reasons being said by proponents of the farm laws is that एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर को इग्नोर किया गया है, एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में लिबरलाइजेशन नहीं आई है. बट आपको ये बात समझनी पड़ेगी कि जो स्टेक होल्डर्स है हम उन्हें सिर्फ पेपर के भरोसे नहीं चला सकते, हमें उन्हें स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझाना पड़ेगा. लाइक सम थिंग्स में डिसाइसिव लेजिस्लेशंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Yep.
लाइक अभी जब इंडिया में सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट का हुआ था या इससे पहले डिमोनेटाइजेशन हुआ था या जिस भी वे से डिफरेंट लॉज आर पास, सर्टेन लॉज में देयर आर सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज, यू कैन अग्री और डिसएग्री विद द लॉ, यू अंडरस्टैंड काइंड ऑफ की इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हैज टू बी अ सर्टेन वे और बात खत्म ही नहीं होने वाली थी. You can say, like, I'm not saying I'm pro or anti either one of those things. I'm saying you understand why a law has to be. अभी लॉकडाउन जो हुआ था, if the lockdown में some people said कि 7 दिन की वार्निंग देनी चाहिए थी, but then उसका डायरेक्ट काउंटर ये है कि अगर 7 दिन की वार्निंग दी होती लॉकडाउन में तो number of people who would have moved up and down and infection would have gone out of control. That I mean, there are certain things where you just can't, like, there will be some short-term effects, but in this case, very specifically, without educating the primary stakeholder of this is not the country, it is the farmer.
Yep.
They are the ones who have to be taken. इसमें fast forward करना नहीं. The laws are excellent for a future India. They are very good. देश
Yeah.
के फ्यूचर के लिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं है इनमें. ठीक है. If the same way हमारा सर्विस सेक्टर जो हुआ है आज, if you buy a jug, a small trader in Rajasthan can sell a jug to someone sitting all the way in corner of Nagaland without any issue. Like, it is something that can happen thanks to हमारा services sector जिस तरीके से फैला है. It has allowed small businesses to advertise on the big websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal जब नहीं आए थे. इतने जो लोग का अभी Jio का भी store खुल रहा है. But same way our agriculture sector requires something similar.
Yep.
But in this sector, direct human beings and their direct revenue is being affected. So I believe that this has to be a process that is initiated using and teaching them along the way and implemented in a staggered scenario.
No, these laws as it is not good for a future India either, because this is you know how Arnav brought up like again I'm stressing on as it is. There needs to be amendments and then it will be a great law. But yeah, as
And I
Arnav
meant
had
the
said,
idea of these laws.
yeah, the ideas
I
of the
meant
law.
the ideas of this law. The ideas of the laws. Like very
Yeah.
simply, if you look at just the ideas of the essential law क्या है. Farmers की life में आप किसी को भी बेच सकते हो, मिडिल मैन हटा सकते हो और प्राइस अपने आप सेट कर सकते हो.
Correct.
वंस यू रियलाइज की कॉम्पोजिशन क्या है. आपको कंज्यूमर की पेमेंट का हायर अमाउंट मिलेगा, आपको जीरो इंटरमीडियरी और बेयरली 1 या 2 इंटरमीडियरी. और जो रूरल फार्म यूथ है, इंडिया इज वन ऑफ द यंगेस्ट कंट्रीज नेशंस इन द होल वर्ल्ड. यंग पॉपुलेशन काफी हाई है, हमें उनको डायरेक्ट चांस मिलेगा कि वो सप्लाई चेन के पार्ट हो स्ट्रेट
Yeah.
अप. Like these are direct benefits of these laws, which is why I said future के लिए काफी अच्छा है.
Correct.
We can change
Status-
amendments definitely.
Correct.
The gist of it, I think, is
Yeah.
quite positive.
No, but
Like you said, on
this-
paper, it's good.
Yeah, actually,
Yeah,
Arnav had brought up saying that privatization would have some positives to it. But strangely, that's not even I thought. But this is some contradicting information that I read on BBC. It says that statistics all around the world have shown that corporatizing, lost the word. Okay, privatizing farming is ended up reducing farmers in income in the long run. Essentially, this is what data shows all around the world. So there are certain things that we have to consider. Now, before we privatize these, one thing we have to remember, like I think Amrit had brought it up, that humans are directly involved in this and are the source of success in this. So there needs to be like that consideration in that effect. Like one of the things that I wanted to bring up is that if you're privatizing these and if private companies are going to enter the ball game, it needs to be even more regular. There should be like government should be intervening it even more to ensure that the farmers are not farmers are treated fairly. That needs to happen.
To be honest,
And
they
we
have
are-
done it in the law of the contract farming. This, if you read about the safeguards, at least from what I read, safeguards are pretty good. I mean, उसमें इतने clearly price point of view से and land point of view safeguards हैं. I mean, at least I want to know कि कौन सा point है जो safeguard नहीं है. I'm curious to know.
Very specifically, I'll just read it out for you. The sponsor's role is limited to buy the produce at pre-decided price as agreed in advance and supplying, and further, you can only buy the produce at the price that is set, and the input and service जो farmer तुमसे मांग रहा है तुम्हें उन्हें देनी है. It is, they cannot lease the land, they can't erect any asset of a permanent nature on the farmer's land or modify or even acquire ownership rights. Like
that's pretty.
Okay, the farmers will be the sole custodian of all production operations as well, and they can directly negotiate the price of the produce before production, and they can also set the terms for price settlement.
Exactly. So I want to know
These are
कि
really
कौन
good
सा
safeguards, though. These
क्या
are pretty damn
safeguard
good
नहीं,
safeguards.
and by the
In
way, what
contract
Amrit said,
farming
this
at
is part
least.
of the law, by the way. This is not
This is already
just
part of the law.
yeah.
No, that's why I said even if you want to make amendments to it, that is fair. Kyunki Arnab,
Yeah,
just
which is
because
fine.
Even if we feel it is perfect, like Kevin said, there might be more things that people
I
can,
mean,
when they
that's
read
why
the law,
people
find
are,
कि अच्छा इससे-
you know, that's why people are fighting against it, right? Because the amendments part of it was not brought up. It was directly waived off. So the
Absolutely.
regular constitutional process has not been followed. So that is where people, opposition leaders have also riled up the whole crowd and
because
fighting it.
Kevin, one of the things is there कि आपने ordinance route use किया. Ordinance route use हुआ होता है emergencies में, जैसे तूने कहा. It has
Exactly.
been used by many governments 2000s of times. But the simple logic behind all of that is कि आपको जब whichever government is in power wants to push through legislation, आप ordinance route use करते हो. Done by everyone. Now, as for the farmer and politics part of it, politicians be politicians is all I think of it. वो politician वाले काम करेंगे either way, both sides. Like I don't think there is any sort of major way you can like change that aspect of this. But what we need to think is कि इसका future large scale implement effect क्या है? Like, and that is where our debate should be. Like you said, ki, like they should amend this and add certain things. Obviously, it is good that there was pushback from the farmers. It's good that they did not just, and it is forced a conversation. It has forced people to understand कि अच्छा farmers actually मंडी जाते थे. Cities के बाहर ये हमारे किसान किस तरीके से इन इतनी आर्जुअस प्रोसेस में इनको ये प्रोसीजर फॉलो करना पड़ता है. सर्टेन पार्ट्स में ऐसा है. अच्छा, साउथ में कौन सा मॉडल फॉलो किया है जो स्टेट्स है जहाँ फॉलो नहीं होता. लाइक अभी नॉर्थ में देयर इज अ स्टेट लाइक बिहार जिसमें एपीएमसीज नहीं है. साउथ में केरला वगैरह में नहीं है. लाइक हाउ डू व्हाट आर द मॉडल्स दैट आर बीइंग फॉलोड देयर, डिफरेंट अलग अलग उसमें. इट स्पार्क्स अ वेरी क्रूशियल कॉन्वर्सेशन.
Correct.
About why is this right or is it wrong, or are we just हवा में बैठ के हम बोल रहे हैं कि अच्छा, if I am pro farm laws, yes, support. If I'm against, I'm completely wo. I don't think any answer lies in that.
One of the points which I want to make is कि because I think not only we, like lots of people have talked about कि educating the farmers, right? And I'm completely in favor of it. At least, that has to be done regardless of which reform is passed. I don't think a lot of people realize one point. Whenever a reform has been passed, whether it's a 1960 का green revolution, 1991 में economic reforms, you cannot, because India जैसे country में majority of जहाँ पे livelihood is agriculture के वहाँ पे, if government has to pass a reform, if even government wants to, in one term, they cannot educate the farmers on these kind of laws and regulations. Because I think Amrit or Akash started with one point. Because we are used to a particular system, no matter how you educate them, it will take years.
Which is
And
why you
from
need a
government's point
transition.
of
Comfortable with it, yeah.
Which is why you need a
No.
transition.
So transition में you cannot pass a law. Either it is a law, it's not a law, right?
No,
So
law
there is no
हो सकता है.
intermediary बीच में.
Arnab, there is one thing, the staggered is like कि आप बोल सकते हो कि पहले 1 साल के 2 साल का waiting period आप law के अंदर ही डाल सकते हो. That by this and this time,
You
जब
could
हमारी-
say this is the date the
when-
law will be into effect.
Yeah.
At this date.
this from this जब जो आपकी
Instead of
नीति आयोग
surprising
होती है,
people, like
which is
saying
the
that,
modern
no.
planning commission,
No.
वो 4 साल का forecast करते हैं कि from 1.5 year, this is the rate at which APMCs will be allowed. From 1 year
Exactly.
के बाद से completely they won't be allowed to.
For 5 years,
don't
you can
have
say
to
for
put it
5 years, APMC's existence is guaranteed. At the same time, the MSPs are going to be regulated through APMCs. You can do it
So
a lot
on-
of different.
But
So on
it would
that
still
part,
lead to
That'll
it
cause
will
a
still
trend.
lead
no,
to
so
protest.
no, I want to understand on that part. What farmers did was good. They pushed back the government, and then government said we will give you in return, right? That APMC will be there, MSP will be there, correct? So don't you think this is more of a government in a way agreed to it. Yeah, farmers saying कि we want that model also at the same time.
No,
So I'm
but the
curious to
problem
know
with that
कि
is that
Mhm.
written guarantee can't be used by farmers in an actual procurement issue, no? Because they said it very specifically. Like as Kevin said, the biggest mistake or problem was uh, biggest problem was amendment ka option in the beginning didn't appear to be there
Yep.
Correct. So
until
yeah,
things got
that's
severe.
why I said what farmers started with the protests was great because they were able to push the government back saying "Hey, we
Hmm.
want these changes. So because now I want to understand. So let's say if government agrees to hold in a staggered manner, right? What you guys were talking about. So farmers have the option to go with both the models and then eventually shift towards one, right? Whichever is good for them. So अगर अब वो option है, do you you guys agree, right? कि वो option है अब. Farmers have that option that they can still take their
I
produce to
don't.
APMC and they
You're
can sell it
saying
for
if
MSP.
you're saying the hypothetical if that it's there right now, it's been
It's not.
put
They
on
have not
hold.
agreed on it. Government has not agreed
No,
on
no,
it.
no, no, no. Government has agreed to give it in written.
No, but Supreme Court has put it in written का वही है ना written they have already said कि हम written accept नहीं करने वाले because until it's part of the law. That's why they're refusing to add it to the amendment. अरना I think तू वो topic में तो I think थोड़ा वो तो confuse हो रहा है. ये तो शुरुआत में उनको बोला था कि मैं आपको लिख के हम दे देंगे. उन्होंने शुरुआत में ही no कर दिया उसको कि unless it's part of the it's legally sanctioned.
Part of the bill.
It has no bearing.
Bill.
Yeah, it's until it's part of the bill.
And it's
That is
passed
one
then.
thing that has happened.
But then if it's part of the bill, then don't you think, because at the same time we have to realize laws are passed by politicians, right? Now you have to also understand कि government अगर कुछ अपने bill में कुछ ऐसे लिख के like commit करती है, in order to again remove that thing, I hope because the whole point we started with since they passed this using ordinance, right? So now when they have to again amend saying okay, now
they'll
AMC
have to sit
is
back in parliament. They'll have to. That's why I said in the beginning.
Exactly, right.
The reason they did not agree in the first place was because we will have to again bring it back through amendment to a certain act. Again, they'll have to go through that procedure. Like it will.
So
it will.
इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि when and if you read about any reforms from 1960s or 1990, I don't think government wants to because it's a vote bank, right? I don't think they can wait for education of the farmers to pass. I know they should have done a better job in terms of communication and setting the ground पे I think they should have set up in terms of farmers को explain करने के लिए कि भाई ये laws हैं क्या, right?
No,
I
and you
think
should
what
have
they did was
negotiated.
wrong, like in terms of rolling it out.
Yeah,
they should have.
When they were
these are
designing
three
the bill
words.
itself.
This
Sorry, go ahead. No, I think that when they were deciding the farm. Okay, when they were deciding the farm bills,
Okay,
they
wait,
should have
Kevin, go. Yeah.
When they were deciding the farm bills itself, they should have involved the farm, unions and the APMC, not the APMCs because that would be not favorable. They should have included the farmers itself as well because that two things you would have achieved the educating them partly and it wouldn't have been a sudden shock to them, whatever they have introduced. And so, sorry, we have already talked about APMC and MSP. Another thing that farmers are protesting against is freedom of stocking. So one of the things, like we have brought up, 86% of the farmers are small players. So they don't have space, or neither do they have the ability to stock anything. So the freedom of stocking is strictly only helping the big players. So that is another thing that farmers have brought up and they are protesting against. Sorry.
So मुझे इसमें ज़्यादा पता नहीं इस वाले point पे. So I want to understand कि जो freedom of stocking है, obviously as you rightly said कि only big players can afford to invest in those kind of storages,
Yep.
right? So उसमें farmers को I want to understand कि वो कैसे affect करता है.
Pricing में.
Like in what sense? Because now pricing is usually it's based on supply and demand, right? So now you're saying if they store a lot of produce in storage,
then you won't need Naya, na? The storing
Yeah,
and
they can-
the limits were placed so that कि you'll have to keep procuring. You cannot say कि गोदान भरा है वापस चले जाओ. So
They're
that
losing
way
money
होगा
now
कि-
because of they aren't able to store it in a feasible place or something like that. So
You can
they
say
just
कि-
have
but
to
पहले
making new
farmers
produce.
so पहले farmers store कर सकते थे. I'm slightly confused on that. पहले कैसे what was the previous model?
That's why
पुराना
I'm
था कि
also
they
not.
couldn't, storage was
They
not
couldn't.
allowed, they were not allowed to store, you're not allowed to store, or like there were those facilities were
Okay,
not
so
And the
now they're
current
allowed to
provided.
store.
and the private sector is
Hmm.
also allowed to store, which is also another thing that they are saying is not right.
क्योंकि डर ये है ना, क्योंकि लोगों को
Mhm.
ये है द मॉडल इज दिस कि किसान को हर कुछ महीनों के अंदर एक साइकिल जब खत्म होता है, दे विल टेक देयर प्रोड्यूस. नाउ इफ आई एम द पर्सन प्रोक्योरिंग एंड ऐसे भाई मुझे इस महीने नहीं चाहिए, देन किसान किससे लेगा पैसे फिर? वन ऑफ द रीजन इज दैट पहले
Mhm.
वी वर अ फूड शॉर्टेज वाला देश, नाउ वी आर अ फूड सरप्लस वाला देश. सो द
Right.
कंप्लेंट ऑफ द एजुकेटेड पीपल और द ओवरली एजुकेटेड पीपल इज दैट कि ऑलरेडी एफसीआई के गोडाउन में इतना सारा खाना रॉट हो रहा है. See, on one hand, we are a country that suffers from starvation, but on another hand, we are a country which has food surplus, grain surplus है
Yep.
इंडिया में.
Mhm.
तो लोगों का ये था कि अगर स्टॉक लिमिटेशंस हटा दें तो देख रख सकते हैं, कोई भी स्टोर कर सकते हैं. फार्मर्स का इश्यू है कि दैट विल मे कॉज अस प्रॉब्लम्स कि इफ आई गो एंड दे आर सेइंग कि ऑलरेडी है, और यू नो इफ इट्स नॉट प्रोक्योर्ड, प्राइस कम हो जाता है, ऑलरेडी इतना सामान है तो आई कैन नॉट बाय योर फूड फॉर दिस प्राइस, प्रोबेबली कम में, दैट विल कॉज इश्यूज.
Mhm.
दैट इज द पंगा.
तो उसमें अभी कोई इसमें कुछ अमेंडमेंट्स प्रपोज हुए हैं, उसमें नहीं हुए, सो दैट्स व्हाई यू आर सेइंग कि फार्मर्स का वो भी एक पॉइंट है
आया
for
है.
protest.
They
That
don't
means
want it.
they
They
have,
don't want it. They want it removed entirely.
It's because like as Kevin said, the richer
Yeah,
farmers are able to
it does put a. So that's why I said these laws
monopolize
are
on that.
a good idea. Just needs a little bit of amendments. Yeah, these only help the 14% or actually even less, maybe like 5% who are the big, huge farmers, the multi-scale farmers. So yeah.
The essential commodities amendment, what was it? Just that basically not putting like pulses and all in the essential category the government places. So now it's only going to be marked essential when there's a time of famine, starvation, or war. Is that the whole
बट
idea
इसमें
of it?
मुझे इसमें एक पॉइंट समझ आई इन अ वे आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू गाइस आर सेइंग. At the same time, even when they're hoarding, they're still buying the produce from the farmers, right?
yeah, there I think,
Yeah.
see, for I'm unclear about is also would we
Makes
have to just
irregular.
look at it from how it works. Agar certain commodities you are not allowed to like keep beyond a certain limit, and the government is saying that by passing this essential commodities ka amendment 2020 ka, now it will force people, it will allow people की infrastructure बनाने को warehouses वगैरह का.
Right.
So
For
जिसमें
storage.
more storage वो डाल सकते
Yep.
हैं.
So they don't need to
And
purchase as much; they can store. Basically, is that the idea? No?
yeah, they are like and the government is literally has declared in its mission statement और उनके उसमें कि big investment होगा जो infrastructure create करेगा, जैसे warehouses, cold storage, pack houses, और उनके based around logistics, which essentially means the government is counting on the fact कि this will cause more क्या कहते हैं advancements in the agriculture sector. For farmers के लिए I believe the issue will be कि price regulation का पंगा आ जाएगा कि अब again if there is more grain stored, the need for new grain if it meets its requirement is less. So the price I was going to get, I'm not going to, I may or may not, be वो गवर्नमेंट कह रही है कि जो आपको इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें जैसे फर्टिलाइजर्स है या सीड्स है, those we have not included in this. So again it will be a back and forth between both sides. That जब तक उनमें डर है उस बात का, it does not change, will not change anything on the ground.
Right. I think what you guys said, I think maybe I do believe rollout could have been better. The path which they chose in terms of rolling out these laws could have been better. And obviously amendments can always be part of, and there can be always changes which should be recommended by the stakeholders, right? And that's the part of democracy. So they have the right to do the protest whenever
Well,
they
like
want. I mean,
the
that's not the
law
problem.
has the ability to provide for all of these things. जैसे if you study जो अभी जो citizenship पे last year का जितना वो जो entire debate चला था, उसमें के time I read about the original constitutional amendment जो कश्मीर में था, उसमें there is a very interesting provision which is where I came up with the staggered thing. The Constituent Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir said कि ये जो article है ये हमारे article 370 should stop existing once हमारा Constituent Assembly stops being in force. तो 1957 में टेक्निकली इन्होंने एक 5 या 6 साल का एक स्टैगर्ड फेस बनाया. आई एम यूजिंग दैट एग्जांपल एज दैट लाइक यू कैन पुट इनटू अ लेजिस्लेशन कि इतने सालों के लिए things will be a certain way, and then there will be a drop off, like completely the system can change. So I think that is something that could have been
But
much
don't you
better in the
think that
situation.
also in terms of, first of all, it's a small subset, right? I mean, we're talking about a particular, and
Very
don't you
specific
think
case.
that also affected that whole Kashmir issue for a very long time?
1000%, but because it was, we use Article 370 to do everything else also. But the problem of that will be, I'm saying it is legally possible in a
Oh yeah,
case
yeah,
like this.
sure.
I'm saying it's legally possible for them to actually stagger कि कितने साल बाद क्या होना चाहिए. कोई तेरी बात सही है. अगर it's too long a period, then it can
And it
cause
is
all sorts of issues.
because they need to be I mean, as a ruling government, they have to come in, they will try to do everything possible to come in power again for the next term, right? And within, they have to do whatever is possible within this term. They cannot say, okay, 10 years plan is great. I mean, technically, I wish everyone takes that route. Like, we have to think long term for India and all those things, because first of all, I think the laws were made thinking the long term future. At the same time, it's a vote bank, I feel. I mean, I don't think they can say, okay, let's educate the farmers, for example, right? Or
I
let's
mean,
roll it out in phases.
I think it was vote bank first and then second, but yeah, because essentially the reason why I say that is because else the proper process would have been followed. So, for example, one of the
That's
biggest
always the case.
the one of the biggest negatives that everyone is pointing out is this was not run through the standing committee, which is a very standard process where you get where you get a detailed report from all sides of the story, whether it's economic, politics, state level, whatever, the farming side.
Yeah,
Get
it
a
is
detailed
any
report
new
saying what
law
is
has
the
to be any new law has to be first put in front of a parliament committee, after which then it is tabled in one of the houses of parliament, after which both houses vote on it and then sent to the president for assent, and it turns into law. All of
Totally.
that was skipped. All of that was skipped when it was the ordinance
But
route.
do you
Now
guys
the
think,
difference
and do
is कोरोना के
you
बीच
really
में तुम क्या कर सकते थे
think,
इसमें?
I don't think now what the protest is going on is on that topic. What farmers want is, they want all the laws to be completely
Repealed.
हटाने
the
के लिए कह रहे
reason
हैं. There's
is
a huge difference
the
between what
reason
they're
is
protesting
they
for
have
now.
been made to wait for so long that you have pissed them off. Now essentially people get emotional, and people do get, again, like, I mean, there's anger
No, I
now.
think they
The point
were
of
emotional that they were already emotional that they came to Bhai. Delhi in winter is not a fun place to
Yeah.
be in. Out on the roads, inside house it is not comfortable. तो घर के बाहर क्या, you can't even imagine how terrible it has been for them. So
Can I make
Secondly,
another
central
a point which is more on the political side?
No,
Am I allowed to
secondly,
make?
Central has asked farmers had asked Central to take complete responsibility of ensuring that this is implemented. So, which Central refused to do, and they said they're going to take it over to states. States are responsible for it. So, there's another issue over there, which a lot of states are protesting against, is the fact that this is not something that they have they have discussed with them. So essentially, you're
no,
forcing them to.
that was a constitutional issue also, ना?
Yeah.
Agriculture falls under the state list.
Yes.
But
State list,
इन्होंने बोला कि तीनों laws के नाम में तो एक जगह पे भी agriculture नहीं लिखा है. This is trade and commerce. तो ये तो हमारे अंडर आता है. क्या concurrent list या उसमें से union list के अंडर आता है. तो ये तो हम तो वो वाले law change कर रहे हैं. हम तो trade और commerce का change कर रहे हैं. तो it's going to be a hoopla about that also on both sides.
Yeah, I think the solution to it is like obviously try to pass it again through the follow the standard process, make your amendments, and follow the standard process. I think that is the way to go, because this is a democratic country. So you are going to follow the constitutional method. I know it's slower, but that is the price of being in a democratic country. Else you're going to be in a like you can be in like a UAE or somewhere where it's decided in one day. So essentially,
one point to make: government actually has that authority. What they did, maybe it's not the norm. What they did was not completely out of
कौन सा
out of
चीज?
is
of
it an
passing the
emergency?
laws.
Is it an emergency?
No, but that is upon the state to decide if they think it's an emergency, na, Kevin? They
Government can
personally
always come
decide.
up whenever they're passing a reform. They can always say it's because they can always make an argument. Farmers are dying for past so many years. People have been complaining
Yeah.
कि farmer suicide के बारे में. They
Yeah.
can always term it as an, and the fact is, opposition
See,
was
if
always
you
saying about farmer suicide, right?
Yeah, and the worst comedy about the APMC reform is something that came up among previous governments long before it also. See, they have to you cannot when you are trying to pass a law that will change the structure of something that is structurally wrong for so long, there are very few other ways. You can say कि ये emergency नहीं है, but you have to look at the overall good. I think तुम्हें greater good वाले theory पे सोचना पड़ेगा. Inside that, you have to see that okay, if you are
Okay, but
targeting a certain group of people, how is it going to affect them directly? You have
and
to
you have
look
to
at
be willing to hear the other side out. That is what I'm saying. I'm not saying that the
I kind
law
of
is the
disagree on
problem.
that point because they had 11 talks so far, and every single talk comes out that farmers want the laws to be repealed. So I don't know, like, one interesting thing if you notice with the previous CA thing, right? Government did not, they were not in the, they did not want to even talk on this
they
topic,
did
right?
not
For the first
engage.
time, government actually engaged in talks because they know the farmers are angry, and rightfully so, because they were not informed of whatever it
नहीं,
is, right?
there is a difference
So
between CA and वो ना देख you the 2019 के election manifesto में they had three things: uniform civil code, Ram Mandir, and Article 370. So that's not something they will ever go back on. Farm laws is it's a different thing altogether. It's a
yeah,
different game plan altogether. If you look at things factually, you will understand why this picture is being painted this way. Why they used emergency provisions? Why did they pass it through ordinance route? You can say it any way you want. It was the best way for them to get it through. Now, did they ever expect this level of pushback from the grassroots?
maybe
Obviously
not.
not.
Yeah.
Abhi, right now, as we speak, the Prime Minister himself has apparently said that the offer to pause everything is still on the table with the farmers. So, as you said, it will probably lead to a more nuanced debate. It is going to force all the stakeholders to come. And
Yep.
Arnav, honestly, 11 rounds of talks are not enough. जब तुम एक situational और क्या कहते हैं
No,
how do I put this structural change करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो.
no, but for that, both parties have to be in at least somewhere in terms of, bhai, okay, we are ready to negotiate, right? But if one
Balance
party
नहीं
is
है ना.
saying,
There is
yeah,
no, but they're not two parties though. Can you understand like the discrepancy in power on both sides? These are people who have left their land, their crops from minor places, from places so far off into
So there
the
is an anger
villages that हमें
issue.
idea नहीं होगा. No, not just anger. It's a discrepancy in power.
Yeah.
No? You're taking them to the biggest rooms and their leaders are standing there and they are arguing with seasoned politicians. So there will be a
right.
level of distrust. There will be a level of like, कि अच्छा, are we
Mhm.
being played? Are we being just? That's why I said जब वो written वाला thing आया, on sitting in the house and getting an update from a news app saying government has offered written assurance, but that sounds easy to us. I have come all the way वहां से और तुम मुझसे बोल रहे हो कि एक पेपर में तुम लिख के दे रहे हो and it has no legal stamp or it has no wide stamp paper का वो भी नहीं पड़ा है इसमें and मैं बस मान के वापस चले जाऊँ. It's not going to work out like that,
Yeah.
no. So until there
There
is
needs
something
to be,
concrete.
then, like I said,
No, but there's no.
private sector has to have
Bolo.
like government has to have the first say in it. So even if you privatize it, you need to first and foremost government needs to be completely intervened and should be in control. That is in my opinion, because especially because the lives of farmers are at stake. This is not like geo internet or somewhere. These in this case there is a major issue. So that is why I think government has to be involved in it. You cannot
But then
compare
it's
it
not
to
privatization, right? I mean, if you're involving government, I don't get it. How is it
no, the
privatization then?
Kevin,
the rights of the farmers
Arnav,
and the
there's a
protection of
mix.
the farmers.
We are a mixed economy at all time. We are a welfare state that way. Our idea of socialism is to allow capitalism, but have state regulations employed in
Yeah.
various parts. That is
No, but
our
that
idea of it.
100%. But that's why we have those safeguards in the law, right? So government did add those
No, but
safeguards
that's
so to protect the
but that's
farmers.
this. Arnav, that's in safeguards in one of the laws.
Yeah.
Contract farming वाले उसमें ये safeguards exist करते हैं.
Yeah.
Do those same level of safeguards exist
For
in the ECA and the APMC law? You cannot say
Ideally,
that for sure.
contract even
Contract farming has all those safeguards which I read out to you.
By the way, contract, I think we are missing one point. Contract farming drives the first law APMC. Without contract farming, first law has no value to it. APMC में when
But
APMC में in order to do the free trade with private sector, contract farming is the one which enables that, right? Otherwise, that's exploitation then, right? So
100%.
APMC में safeguards are also taken place because of this particular, from what I understand, the contract forming का जो legal framework बनाया है.
But that's the thing, na, that's still, even if it's a major segment, that's one part of it being the driving force. The essential structure of the entire thing of Indian farming are the APMC mandis in at least North India. So जो पहले वाले लॉ के बाद आप ये क्लैरिफाई नहीं कर पा रहे फार्मर्स के लिए, और somebody who's की where, how, when, which is where the teaching aspect me and Akash are talking about.
Yep.
It's not teaching of like एक blackboard में बना के teach करना. It's essential teaching of like, you can say private players will come. Will they come to each of those people? Will they come to a certain section of people? Will they come to only certain morchas, or will they come to people whom they are favorable with? That is the first law itself is such a scary thing, क्योंकि in the name of destroying the monopoly of the APMC mandi, you are removing the central source. Contract farming, you're right, is an option to spread your wings. But usse pehle hi I am destroying the house, that the only house you know how to use.
Yep.
That is a problem, no?
And the
आपको
guarantee,
पता ही नहीं आप और कहाँ जाओगे.
which is
The
a
change is
guarantee.
always uncomfortable in the end of the day.
Yeah, I mean,
It's all-
I think what we are trying, I don't think any law is going to be perfect, right? I mean,
Exactly.
they're
No,
always
yeah.
going to be, especially as you mentioned, farmers are a very sensitive part of the country. I mean, they are the ones who are driving the whole nation. So they are used to one particular system. And now suddenly when you bring a change, I mean, yeah, you expect some sort of protest. You expect some sort of unke jo bhi demands hain,
Resistance,
right? So
yeah.
I think, yeah, and which is normal, which is good for democracy. Like if they're pushing the government to do the amendments, and I think the interesting part, this was the first time when government has agreed to actually negotiate. Otherwise, in past 6, 7, 8 years, this government never had the they never wanted to negotiate on any of the things. They used to just rule out all the, whether it's GST, whether demonetization, whether it's
no matter the
CA.
protests, it was always just
Yeah, no matter the protest. So because but this is the first time, because they know farmers are angry, right? I mean, this is the first time they engaged in talks for so long. Even right now, when Prime Minister comes out and says we are ready to negotiate, everything is on the table. That shows the government is also scared in a way of the farmers, because they know.
I don't think it's a concern for farmer. It is more. I'm just talking about politics. I'm not judging what the group is. I'm saying that in terms of politics, they are doing it because farmers can decide the outcome of an election. So that is why they are.
Obviously,
They have to worry.
Yeah,
अभी
100%.
assembly elections कब है? अगले साल है ना पंजाब में.
And one more point, since we're talking about, we also have to realize all these protests, they are happening in these specific states, right? And there's a huge reason also. All these states, they get a very big tax from all these mandis.
Yes.
So state ka, it's in thousands of crores. State ki jo income hai, even that will be compromised because of these laws.
Yep.
So that's another point. State governments are also slightly worried of these particular states, where because unka straight up 5,000-6,000 crores ka loss ho sakta hai. I mean, not the whole amount, but like eventually it will go down that route.
Plus they lose control.
Agriculture was put under the, देख आप वो federal structure की बात erode होने की हो जाती है ना. We are a quasi federal thing इसलिए because yes, the union has more powers, but the state itself is being क्या कहते हैं, जब आपका जो एक्चुअल स्टेट के जो मैटर्स है, आपके हॉस्पिटल्स या ये जो एग्रीकल्चर इश्यूज है, वो दे ऑल आर डायरेक्टली run by the state government, not the central government. Central government comes for overarching things. So obviously they will have an issue with अगर उनका directly वो GST में जो पंगा होता वही तो था. जैसे अभी
उनका रेवेन्यू इफेक्ट करता है, राइट, डायरेक्टली. लाइक
अभी जीएसटी का जब कॉम्पेंसेशन का चल रहा है, पंगा चल रहा है अभी, की स्टेट्स लड़ रहे हैं, उन स्टेट्स बोल रहे हैं यही तो हमारा डर था कि जीएसटी से, कि जब if we are completely reliant on the center to pay our dues, then हमें क्या मिलने वाला है, you know?
Correct.
Yeah,
absolutely.
But I think on the same topic, I would like to suggest, because India में भी it's a big deal है.
Yes.
So I think I would suggest, if जो भी अपने 10 listeners हैं या 9 या 8 जो भी हैं, I would suggest reading about the actual laws, right? I would suggest not just follow the media headlines, actually go and read about the laws, read about the context of it, read about the history of it, and I think then you have a full right to pick sides.
There are
right?
many
There's nothing
videos
wrong
on
in taking
YouTube as
sides.
well that provide just the facts about the law.
Yeah, you can read both
Obviously,
sides.
without being
I mean,
skewed.
there are two sides
No,
to both these laws.
Not
Pros
not
and
just
cons.
facts about it. I don't think you should just read the facts about it, because it's very specifically understand कि on the ground अगर आप किसान होते तो आप क्या करते. आप if you're somebody who's listening to this podcast, you are probably not in a situation where you have to do that amount of physical labor every day. Understand the apprehensions of someone just sitting in a room and saying कि I mean the best for you. and I have idea about 10 years, 5 years, 50 years into the future, does not give us the right to dictate their terms.
Look
Yep.
at it from
These are
different
also
point
art.
of views.
Yeah,
Definitely.
these people are not, we can't just say कि आप किसान है तो आपको complete idea नहीं है कि ये क्या हो रहा है, ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते आप.
Yeah.
They are
Correct.
the ones living that life, no? We are the ones just commenting on it. They are living that life. So अगर उनको fear है, then it is our responsibility to explain to them कि exactly ऐसा क्यों है, इसका point क्या है, and these are the safeguards that are there for you.
Yeah, I
that's
think
very crucial.
इसमें इन सब में one point which I understand is education is the point, right? How can we make those actual farmers comfortable with these kind of laws?
How to make
Awareness,
the adjustment.
Awareness
I
फैलानी,
would,
because end of the day
yeah.
it's for the betterment of them, from what we all agreed on paper, right?
I think
It's
that's
for
why
the betterment of these farmers. So
I think that's why rolling it out on a state level and the state first educating them would have been the ideal flow. I'm saying the ideal. Obviously, there are other factors that makes it impossible, as like difficult to do these things. But yeah,
Mhm.
just to keep calm and quiet. If you look at from that perspective, I think a better transition was what is required. But I think going forward, I think if the government is willing to listen to the farmers, and then the farmers also have to open with an open mind, have to listen to what the government is proposing. I think you can definitely come to a consensus for sure.
Yeah. Hopefully, India reaches a decision that makes everyone.
one more point. India is not going to end. ये protest हमेशा होते रहेंगे.
Yep.
Government हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ करता रहेगा. It's a part of
Wait,
any democratic country, right?
Who said India is going
Yeah,
to end?
I was
If
about to ask. Who said?
if you look at the media headlines, it seems like कि India में बहुत कुछ वो India is going to be destroyed, and
Just
because of
26.
so
Okay.
media.
unfortunately
At this point, if you're going to sit and
Read
think,
Republic
see, if you
TV,
just,
then
no, if you just,
just kidding.
Yeah,
Kevin,
Republic
this is
TV
the
tells the
reality.
facts, Kevin. Apparently.
Okay.
no, that's my point, right? People go by all these media headlines,
Yeah.
which they should
no,
not.
but and that is my problem. Each one of you is, if you just go and read the history of India, you'll understand there has not been as peaceful a time as now. And forget that.
Exactly.
Okay, you can
The whole
disagree
world.
with me also.
The whole
You will
world.
say ki you are so wrong for suggesting that. Yes, there is suffering. I'm not saying there is no suffering. I'm just saying if you look, conflict is part of any society. There is supposed to be conflict. Otherwise, हम एक actually एक robust environment पे जी नहीं रहे.
Yeah.
We are living in a क्या कहते हैं, one mind state of some group think में हम कर रहे हैं. Obviously, we are so many 1.3 billion people. Do you honestly think all legislation and all rules are going to apply to everyone in a way to make them happy?
And इतने diverse country में you cannot expect there will be no resistance, right, to any of the
Yeah,
major reforms,
No,
absolutely.
right? So
but that's the
There's
thing.
always gonna be.
Our diversity is not purely on the simple things that we think of. It's not just a purely religious or linguistic or
Oh,
a
not at all.
caste-based thing. Our diversity is occupational. Our diversity is based on even denominations among people of a billion
Right.
kinds that can be found.
I've also seen
So-
like multiple tweets that are kind of offensive. So that's what another thing I wanted to point out is like if you're arguing about this, please do not attack someone's beliefs or like the very existence of them, etc.
No, if you are arguing on Twitter, then that itself shows that you are ready to waste your time.
Yeah.
तो तुम कर क्या रहे हो वहाँ पे?
yeah, look at the
तुम
bigger
मजे मारने-
picture. That's all.
क्या कर रहे हो? Like what will you do? Like a more argument happens, it's not going to change anything. You're just going to get angrier at each other as each day passes. So
One thing is, because of this protest, I'm pretty sure lots of people, lots of Indian citizens, they are उन्होंने शायद जानबूझ के research करना पड़ा होगा for because now they want to be have a small talks or whatever reason, or maybe social media पे उनको लिखना है, so they might have done the small research. So शायद hopefully थोड़ा awareness फैला होगा in
no,
terms
but
of
Arna, the
what
worst thing about research is small research. That is never
at least
safe.
it's better than nothing, right? Assuming things. At least they put inside maybe 5%. Still, I know it's also half knowledge is it can be scary, but at least better,
Yeah.
especially in terms of farmers also, right? Farmers, because वो इतने and even though it's a one section of the farmers, it's not the whole country behind this. But at least that because of that one particular section, people are getting aware of these kind of laws and what the current model is, right? I think that's also a plus point in any democratic country when protests happen.
So hopefully India reaches a good decision that makes all happy. Hopefully.
Okay, Akash.
You asshole. Let's move on to a brighter note. An unhappy note for me, but I'm sure a brighter note for one asshole on this podcast. Lampard lost his
Amrit.
job as a manager for Chelsea. A legend, Chelsea legend, lost his job as manager. Well,
I predict that he's going to be manager for Arsenal and they're going to score a goal against you.
see, that
he
will
might
never
actually play. He might actually play for Arsenal and score a goal for them.
He played for Man City and scored a goal against us.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, that was the
that was
reference
sad.
I
But he
wanted
didn't.
to say.
He didn't celebrate, which was good. Thank you, Lampard, for scoring and not celebrating in our faces. But
सही में वेला
I
है.
think it's just that people have lost patience. I think Lampard did amazing with the first
We-
season with Chelsea,
we've
with the
Yeah.
team he had.
Kevin,
all teams
nobody
have
cares
failed.
about your.
yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
stop. Who cares about your actual analysis? Hey, तुझे पता है Solskjaer lasted longer than your legend. समझा है तुझे? हमारा PE teacher
teacher.
lasted longer than your club legend. So what rubbish are you
What
talking
PE
about?
teacher?
Eh?
How is he compared to PE teacher? Solskjaer is also a legend in Man United.
Yeah, but तुम सबने उसे PE teacher बुलाया इसलिए, ठीक है? केविन आ गया अपनी बकवास एनालिसिस के साथ. किसी को नहीं फर्क पड़ता क्या होता है.
Is that why you guys lost to Sheffield United on the weekend?
Yeah, because वो फील्ड है उनके नाम में इसलिए हारे थे हम. यूनाइटेड नाम की हर टीम से हारते हैं हम, alongside any other team which plays football.
Chelsea
But-
should change their name to Chelsea United then.
क्या फायदा क्या? You will never be united.
Oh.
हमारे fans once your players are traveling in trains, who knows what your fans will do.
Oh,
people
call
then-
back to the racist encounter. It's so
I
bad.
didn't say
It's
it.
so bad.
I didn't say it.
And when you guys are not winning, your players kick ball boys. So
Yeah.
I mean,
And if you played in a league like Kevin's favorite team, then at least chance होता कुछ करने का.
Nay, we wouldn't because there'll be a lot of
Why-
diving and paying
No,
of officials in there. We will not.
no, we
sub-
are sitting
as
fourth
for-
on that also, Amrit. I'm not telling anything about my team.
Wait, तुम fourth हो?
Yeah, them and Real Madrid are playing so shit
I just,
right now.
I just assume okay, your team is usually first or second in my. or
no,
third
no.
maximum.
Even Real Madrid is
कौन
not
है
top,
first?
na, Kevin?
First
They're
कौन है?
also.
No,
Who is first?
Atletico and Atletico Madrid is first,
Then
leading by
second?
like 13 points or something.
उनकी टीम में कौन है?
Luis Suarez is the
Suarez.
highest goal
Wow.
scorer.
Kevin को रुक जाइए. Remember there's a podcast where Kevin dialogue मार रहा था कि Suarez तो यार बूढ़ा है. He doesn't bite Messi.
He said he understood why they sold Suarez. I was like, I was saying no.
You know, I understood why they sold Suarez. I did not understand why they didn't replace him.
Oh,
That is where
Kevin,
I
do
expected
you-
they would replace
didn't
him.
Now do you understand why they sold him so that he could make them win, the other team win? तुम्हारे
अभी तो
Okay,
Messi भी
I
जाएगा. Bichara is getting so frustrated getting red cards. He'll
Yeah.
also leave. I wonder how
He
about.
should jo-
I'm
he
pretty
should
sure
join
he'll leave.
some random team, like
He
ऐसी
sh-
team
yeah.
जिसका नाम
He
कुछ
should
नहीं
join
है.
some.
I don't mind
which is
actually.
got a blue in their logo and team colors.
City.
I'll be sad when Messi leaves, but I think it'll be a good rebuild as well.
And
If
he-
you want to rebuild, I think Messi
Kevin,
has to
in
leave.
your
That's a
in your
sad
rebuilding year also you'll finish top 4. Chelsea bought like half the GDP of a small country and
Exactly.
they're
And we'll-
coming 8th or 9th.
We'll
So
finish
there's
top
no
4.
problem.
Man United, it'll be Man United won't stay top
Even-
for long
I-
either.
I
They'll
think-
come to
I think
third, I
that's what-
think. We'll be fourth.
Because do you think
Our PE
Akash,
teacher
did-
will take
did
us to
Lamp-
top 4 one way or the other. उसे पता है और कोई टूर्नामेंट तो है नहीं.
Bayern
Akash,
जीतेगा
Lampard-
चैंपियंस लीग.
That is not
Okay,
a
I mean,
very
it's
big
just-
thing
that is a
that
bright
probably
note
going
to
to
just end
happen.
it there.
Just mute your mic, sometimes you should not give your opinion. But yeah. Hey, is Bayern winning their league? I don't know. I don't follow that.
Obviously.
Didn't they have a
Obviously,
shocking
yeah.
loss to Dortmund recently?
अबे पर लीग में क्या
No.
चल रहा है?
No,
बेवकूफ? एक बार तो कोई
they're
नहीं
leading.
they're winning?
They're
I
leading.
think they're winning.
They're leading, but they
winning by
had a
like
match
8
where they had a
points or
shocking
something
loss
like
to
that.
Dortmund. I think.
Without watching a single game, I could have answered that question. Amrit.
But Bayern,
Even Juventus,
man.
even Juventus is fourth in their league, man.
Oh,
Oh,
this week, by
Lukaku
the
and
way,
Ibrahimovic,
in
saw that?
fantasy basketball, I am crushing Kevin completely. By the way,
Ooh.
I'm beating
hi
Sid.
Kevin.
I know I'm beating
Hi.
Sid.
Wait, what?
Ars-
Yeah, I'm beating Sid. I'm projected to win against Sid.
That's crazy. Because
Yeah,
Sid usually,
man.
I don't think he
Hi.
loses.
I was
हाँ, वो
going to
कभी
get
हारता नहीं
1,000.
है.
I was
Yeah.
going to get 1,700 points. Then the stupid KD keeps getting out. Then Clint Capella is also out.
यार मेरा
Akash,
Kyrie-
you should be
मेरा-
thankful.
मेरा-
He's
मेरा
playing.
Kyrie Irving डिप्रेशन में जाते जा रहता है. मैं क्या करूं? कभी चांस ही नहीं मिलता खिलाने का. Kyrie Irving इतना डिप्रेशन में गया है.
They scored
thought that
freaking
was
147 points without Kevin Durant आज. पता नहीं क्या
Yeah,
टीम है
they
उनकी
scored
Brooklyn की.
quite a
और
bit.
हार गए क्या?
No, जीत गए.
अच्छा फिर ठीक है.
It went into like
Oh wait,
double
आज
OT.
उसने मेरे लिए point. I didn't check. अरे आज मैं जीत गया क्या? अरे कितना मेरा कायरी कितने पॉइंट्स दिए तूने मुझे आज? थैंक्स टू
एसोल आका अमृत कैरिस लिवर्ट को उठा लिया तूने. I
अबे
dropped him for temporary.
Wait,
उसको कैंसर
he's
है भाई,
out.
तो शर्म
Yeah.
उसको
He's out.
कैंसर
He's
है.
out. He's
He's
out.
not coming back for the rest of the season.
Yeah, he's out.
Wait, is
Oh,
it
is he?
cancer?
Okay.
Is it
Is it? No, it's
Kidney,
Confirmed?
It's cancerous.
kidney,
it was
cancerous
cancer.
lumps
It's
in his
cancerous. Oh,
no, I don't think it was cancerous, right?
Abhi just
Yes, it
read
is.
the
That's what it says on the-
click on his name, it will show that. Bevkoof.
Yeah, that's what.
Such
But
a
they
such a
have some
detected it
brilliant.
shame.
early, so they can do a surgery and
Kevin,
remove that.
say sorry for
whatever
making
the
fun
mass
of him.
is.
Kevin, say sorry for making fun of him that way. Besharam.
I never made fun of him.
Enough, Kevin. Just
I
apologize.
said you are an.
But such a
I
such a
said you are
blessing
an
for him,
asshole
right? He
for
got
picking you up.
traded because of his physical हुआ उसका, and then they found out. Such a crazy story.
He said ना, he said that it all happened for a reason. क्योंकि अगर physical नहीं हुआ होता तो then they would not have found it.
Yeah, good for him.
please.
Yeah. I can't believe
Worked
Kevin you
out.
said that though about him.
Kevin,
Poor
don't be
guy.
so insensitive next time, please.
Salah Amrit. Okay, let's end it. over here.
Kevin's like, let's end it on this awkward note. Quickly. This is the end of the Vele podcast, this episode of the Vele podcast. As usual, we are available on Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, and Spotify. Also
Yeah,
on
even though
YouTube.
we are available, आप में से कोई सुनता तो है नहीं, तो फायदा क्या
Amrit.
बोलने का?
You stop listening as well, you asshole. You can't even talk as well.
I listen every भाई पागल हो गया.
Only Kevin listens.
I at least मैं 2x में डाल के छोड़ देता हूँ side में at work.
ये देखो. You can catch us also, follow us, give us a follow on Instagram as well at VelePod.
Yeah.
Kevin,
Nice.
we discussed that as well, by the way. Until
हाँ, Instagram में Kevin कुछ क्या उसने क्या किया इसने वहाँ पे?
करूँगा. I swear I'll do it.
until our next
Akash, today
episode.
you'll have the timestamps.
Kevin is
I
the
swear.
worst employee ever.
Okay,
Oh my
end
God.
it, Arnab. This has been a very weird.
Just end it.
Bye,
Be
guys.
safe, guys. Be safe. Don't listen to Kevin.